I'm Sarah Archer from the US. I'm a graduate student and I decided to come to Keats because I needed to improve my Chinese so that I could conduct interviews in Chinese. If you're thinking about coming to Keats School, I think it's a great opportunity for you also to improve your Chinese. Just now I'd like to tell you a little bit about Kunming, the city that Keats is in, which is kind of the gateway to Southeast Asia, if you didn't know that. Actually, right now they're building a gigantic train station in an area not too far from here that will give you high-speed railway access to all of Southeast Asia. You can ride it all the way down to Singapore, which is pretty cool if you think. One of my favorite things about Kunming is that it's really big, but not too big, if you know what I mean. You have access to everything you could possibly need. There's Walmarts, there's Carrefours, there's anything you could possibly want, and yet it's also small enough you can kind of feel like you're part of a community. Keats is a great community to be a part of because the people here are so friendly and kind. It's like a good family to be with, and they really look after you. My teacher, I really love her. We've become really good friends over the time that I've been here. We don't really follow a book format so much, although we do have one and we use it for grammar points. Actually, mainly what we do is conversational Chinese, which is what Keats is really, really great at doing. If you need conversational Chinese practice, they're the best, I think. But my teacher and I, we sit down every day for 4 hours and we just speak to each other. And at first I was really nervous. I didn't think, my Chinese was good enough that I could sit down and speak to another person in Chinese and just go. But she's really supportive with me, and if I don't know a word, she teaches it to me, and we could be having a conversation on the street, and the next day a word that I learned on the street will be in my vocabulary list. So, she's really responsive to my needs and any suggestions I have for her. So if you're still on the fence about coming to Keats, or if you're not sure, I think it's a great opportunity, and it'll really help your Chinese.